Hello there, my friends. So this is the Texas Instrument BA2 Plus calculator. I bought this in 2005. It's an old calculator. Probably, I don't even know if they sell these new anymore. I'll put a link in the description if they do. And it's got some instructions here. Anyway, battery's dead. So, it does good stuff though. It does like, interest rates and that sort of thing. So I'm going to show you how to change the battery. So there's 4 screws here. There's a reset button here. And I'm using a very small Phillips head screwdriver to get these out because I don't want to strip them. So use very firm pressure. So downward force and twist at the same time. You might want a pair of tweezers if you don't have any fingernails. I think we're gonna be okay here. So if you don't have a pair of glasses, if you don't have a small Phillips head like this, you can go to the store and get an eyeglass repair kit for $1. I'm sorry, $1.25 now at Dollar Tree. And we're almost there, halfway there. So I like to keep the screws in the order or the same position as where I bought them. So I'm going to go, these were the bottom screws, so I'm going to keep them in the right place. This one's the top right, as it's facing this way. And this one's top left. We're going to look at that and get that, and then we're done. And then we go in the back, and you'll be able to see the circuit board and the battery is. So you might need to use a little bit of force to force this open. Maybe a small screwdriver, like this flat-nosed eyeglass screwdriver, to get into this part here, this little groove. You kind of snap that open. Just go up the plastic like that. Work your way around like that. There we go. All right, so that's what it looks like on the inside. This, I assume, is the central processing unit. So you don't want to touch all that like too much because the grease from your hands can interfere with the circuitry. So up here is the battery. The battery's actually up here. Right? So if this were solar, this would be the solar cell, where the solar cell is. So there's 2 screws here, and this is too small. This is the right size. And so what you could do, you can take both these screws out, or you can take one of them out and kind of pivot it. Here, let's do this. So we'll take this one full out. This is a silver screw. This is to keep it distinctive from the black screws, but you can also just kind of twist this over here and keep that screw in place. Now, here's the interesting part. So trying to take out one of these button batteries. Oh, it's just laying in there. But you may want to use your tiny flat nose screwdriver to get under it, lift it out. And then we can see what kind it is. And I think it's a 16. Let's see here. Nope, it's a 32. So it's a CR2032. So we're going to go to the dollar store for $1.25, just like we got this eyeglass repair kit. We can get one of these. And then just reverse the process and you're done. So hope that helps you. If it did, smash like, and I'll see you on the next one.